Hey everyone, my name is Seth Silvers and I want to welcome you to video number 1 of our YouTube channel. For the last few years we've thought about doing a YouTube channel and I've kind of wanted to do this but just have hesitated to do it. And so we are excited to launch this channel. I wanted to make a brief video just giving you an idea of what you can expect with this channel. The whole goal is that I can give you everything you need to grow your small business through storytelling, by marketing with stories. That is my deepest passion, is to help purpose-driven entrepreneurs and business owners market with stories. The reason is so that you can grow your business authentically. If you're a marketer or business owner and you've been looking for crystal clarity on exactly how to become a better storyteller in business, then I think this channel is going to be really helpful for you. If you want to know some of the details of how do you tell good stories, how do you structure them well, but also how do you bring storytelling into marketing? How do you incorporate that into digital marketing campaigns? And how do you kind of bring the worlds of marketing that works and storytelling together? That's what our hope is for this channel. I think that it's really important to recognize that our passion is for purpose-driven entrepreneurs. If your whole goal in business is just to make money, that's great, but this might not be a good fit. Our goal is to use business as a tool for impact. And I know that there's a lot of people out there just like you, that you have started a business or you're running a business for a reason, and that reason is to make an impact. And so that's what we want this place to be. That's what we want this channel to be, is a place for purpose-driven entrepreneurs to be able to learn exactly how to grow your business with stories. We've been doing this for 4 years. I've gotten the opportunity to help a bunch of different brands, some large, some small, on different marketing campaigns and storytelling campaigns, and really helping them answer the question of how do we use stories, how do we use our stories of impact to grow our business. So we're going to share some of those tips with you of how you can use storytelling to grow your business. We'll be posting a couple videos a week, and I hope that you will subscribe to this channel. If you are looking for crystal clarity on how you can actually grow your business with stories, this is a great place for you. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, watch some of our other videos. We look forward to seeing you. We'll see you soon.